60 seconds with Femi, correct pidgin, and it's now what they do. And this weekend for Bodo England, tennis match where they play. Oh, sorry, football match where they play. Manchester City versus Chelsea. Manchester City remain small. They first Chelsea completely for inside that particular match. Chelsea fans they don't understand what they happen. They just they surprised. Then they a word of wonderment. Then they talk say this Sarri ball when season start. Sarri ball be like Tiarova ball. Sarri ball na brand new ball, but these days Sarri ball na ball we don't tear. Sarri ball na ball we don't less. I want to ask you as fan of Chelsea, what do you think of that match yesterday? Abi, you don't even want to think of yourself. You want come out and you want delete and come out from your memory. Last, you don't want to remain for your memory. You self if you fan of football, what do you think about that match yesterday? Some people don't talk say, sorry, the way they arrange your team, say the man too stubborn. Carry some players, keep for bench, carry some players put inside match. I want to know what you think about that match yesterday. How you think say Chelsea go take arrange their life as them take go forward. With every year say the lion where they inside their logo self, you don't the Kawasaki come out for the logo.